The success to me is really around the people that I engage with every single day, whether it's my direct team or peer groups, mentoring programs that I'm participating in. My goal is to help others get developed. My success is seeing other people succeed, as well as the company that I'm part of. I love the opportunity to see the impact that we're having every single day on the company and the people that are working at the company and outside of the company. I like to be part of the story. So for me, success is just watching the people around me grow, the company grow, and being part of that and feeling good about it every single day. I spend more time at work than any place else, so I want to enjoy it and help others enjoy the journey.